Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this cute product here. It's from the brand Glamlite and it's the S'mores Highlighter and Contour Palette. I'm so excited to try out products from Glamlite because I just love the food theme of this brand. I mean, food and makeup, two of my absolute favorite things. And another one of my favorite things is getting stuff for free, and I got this for free in Ipsy by redeeming my points. So this has a retail value of $18. It's cruelty free and vegan. And so let's get into this and see what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. Look, even on the back, it looks like a s'more. Oh my gosh, this looks so delicious. Like I want to take a bite out of it. And so now, ooh, chocolate looking on the inside and 3 good size pans here. Oh, the chocolate even has like texture on it. You can see the chocolate shade, marshmallow, and graham cracker. So the marshmallow and the graham cracker look like shimmery highlights, and then the chocolate looks like a matte kind of contour bronzer shade. But first things first, I am going to swatch them. Ooh, what a nice feel. These are looking very nice. Oh my goodness. Wow, great pigment. I'm gonna have to go in with a light hand when I use that bronzer. And it looks like a really nice shade. It's like a warm tone bronzer that I think should give a lot of like sun-kissed look to the skin, which I love. And then we've got this white highlight, which is very pretty and bright. And then the bronzy highlight, which is so pretty and pigmented and metallic. I almost feel like I'd want to mix these two highlights together and maybe get my kind of more like champagne type of shade. I'm gonna play around with that. But first, I'm going to give that contour, dimension, sun-kissed look to my skin, which really needs it right now, by applying the chocolate shade all over, you'll see. And I'm going to use this more fluffy angled brush because this is pigmented. I'm going for a fluffy brush to try and not go in with too much. And first I'm going to start out on the cheek. And you can see it does go on pretty pigmented at first, but it seems to be easy to blend. And then I'm also going to bring it along my forehead, just right along the hairline there. And that's how I like to contour and kind of warm up the skin. So I'll just focus it on half of my face right now so that we can compare the difference. And then I also like to bring my contour under the jawline here. And I'm really liking how this is looking. It's definitely more like an orangey warm tone, so it's not like the perfect contour shade. It's more of a bronzer to warm up the skin. Like I would prefer a cool tone shade under my jaw here to contour and just look more like natural dimension to the face. But this is still working perfectly fine to warm up my skin. But I find it a little deceiving that it's called a contour palette, because to me this is more of a bronzer. But I mean, looking at the dimension to my face with it versus without it, there is more contour going on, but overall I feel like it just really bronzed the skin. But it looks smooth, it blends out nicely. So let's continue on to the other side. This has a smell to it. No, it doesn't smell like s'mores. which is fine by me, but that would have been a cute touch. Oh, I just love the difference that going in with some bronzer does to my skin and my complexion. Like, that was pretty quick, but it made a beautiful difference in how my makeup and my skin and my face is looking. So now I am so excited to move on to the highlighters. Actually, I think I'm going to stick with this fluffy brush just for the fun of it right now and pick up both of the shades. Let's see how this looks. If I just dust this now onto the high point of my cheek. Oh my gosh. Okay, that looks even better than I was expecting it to. Mixing these two shades together really did just give me the perfect highlight shade. It's more of a like golden champagne shade. So I felt like the bronzy shade was too dark for my skin tone, the white shade a little too light. But oh my gosh, mixing them together, look at that. And they're so bright. Even going in with this fluffy brush, it's still pigmented and it gives that smooth, reflective sheen, not that glittery highlight. It's that reflective metallic glow, which is exactly what I like in my highlight. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. Look at just like the radiance that gave my skin with it versus without it. Let's see if I can master that combination again. I mean, it was pretty quick and easy. Just trying to pick up a little bit of both and blend it out onto the cheek. Yeah, I think that's matching shade-wise. And it's so easy to blend too with the brush. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm loving this palette. It just makes the skin, the complexion look so good. Glowy, sun-kissed. Go ahead and like do a little nose highlight. I kind of want to, for the fun of it, I think I'm just going to pick up the white shade and I'm going to use this to highlight my eyes with my finger. I'm going to throw a little into the inner corner here. Oh yes, I love how that looks to brighten up the eyes. This is a perfect shade for that. So pretty. And I can't resist this highlight. I'm going to also throw it onto the brow bone. Very quick and easy. And that looks so good. The other side. Like, okay, look at my like transformed complexion from where I started to where I am now. The glow, the sun-kissed glow and the radiance glow is just exactly what I look for. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. And when you can get use out of all the shades too in the palette, that is just fantastic. I feel like this is so worth the $18. But if you can get it for free in Ipsy, oh my gosh, even better. So if you have tried this out, let me know what you think of it. But clearly, I recommend if this is on Ipsy and you can get it, you know, as a choice in the shop or for free, I think this is awesome. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.